Hi friends. So in this video we will understand the series and parallel connection of resistors with a small experiment. So actually we can do this experiment in many ways, by using multimeters or without using multimeters anyways. So here we are understanding this series and parallel connection with the help of with the help of LEDs, resistors and some voltage source. We are not going to use here multimeter. So without multimeter also we can understand the way of connecting the resistors and what are the properties of these connections, series as well as parallel. So with this small experiment we can understand this. Okay, please have a look. Thank you very much. So in order to understand the series as well as parallel combination of resistors and its behavior, we must have the following components in order to do this. So first component which we require is a battery. So here I am using a 9-volt battery as a source, and the second component which I am using is a LED, which is a light emitting diode, and the third is resistors. Here the values or the ratings of the resistors are not of primary concern here, because they will not change the behavior of series and parallel combination. And the fourth component which we require is a breadboard or a connecting wire, because if we do not have the breadboard with us, there is no problem. We can make use of connecting wires. The reason is the purpose of breadboard is same as connecting wires, because it is used to connect different components like resistors, capacitors, batteries or voltage sources, like that. First we will see here, if you observe, I connected the battery directly to an LED, means complete voltage is supplied to LED and observed its illumination. After that I connected a resistor in between a LED and source. Then I go on increasing the number of resistors in between the source and LED and observe the illumination. First I started with one resistor, then two, then three, like that. I increased the number of resistors connected in between the source and LED and observed its illumination, so that each time the illumination of an LED got reduced. So it shows that there will be voltage drop occurred in across each and every resistors. In series combination or in series connection, we know that the current in the circuit remains the same, but there will be voltage drop across each and every element. There will be a stage where the LED will not glow. See this small clip where the battery is directly connected to LED, so that the illumination is higher. And after that I connected some resistors in series and observed the LED illumination. See that here there will be lesser illumination. This is about series connection. Now we can see a parallel connection and its behavior. So here I connected a resistor in parallel to the source as well as LED and observed its illumination. And after this I connected one more resistance in parallel to the available resistor and observed its illumination. Like that I go on increasing the number of resistors that are connected in parallel. So during this process I observed that the illumination of an LED will not change even though the number of resistors that are connected in parallel increases. So it shows that the voltage across the LED remains the same in every situation. It is independent of the number of resistors that are connected in parallel. So it indicates that the in parallel combination the voltage across each and every component remains the same, but the current taken from the supply or drawn from the supply increases. Okay, so this is about the series and parallel combination. So thank you very much.